everyone, if you've received an offer of admission, congratulations and welcome to the Ryerson family. Now that you've accessed your offer through your Choose Ryerson applicant portal, reserving your space here at Ryerson is easy. It's just 3 simple steps. Step 1, accept your offer of admission. Please be sure to read through your offer of admission in full so that you're familiar with your terms and conditions and that you accept your offer on time. All offers of admission have a confirmation deadline. If you applied using the Ontario University's Application Centre, or OUAC for short, you will need to log into the OUAC with your reference number and password and click Submit and follow the directions. You will then be directed to a new page that will give you a confirmation number as well as a summary of any changes made during that session. Be sure to keep your confirmation number handy for future reference. All responses sent through the OUAC will be processed within 1 business day. Step 2, pay your tuition deposit. To maintain your offer of admission, be sure to pay your tuition deposit and have it credited to your Ryerson account no later than the following date, or as otherwise specified in your offer of admission. If you're paying from within Canada, please make your payment through your bank, online banking, or by telephone banking. If you're paying from outside of Canada, your options include payment from a Canadian bank account or Western Union Business Solutions. Please use your Ryerson student number, indicated in your offer of admission, as your account number and keep your confirmation details for future reference. Be sure to get your deposit in before your deadline to accommodate for any banking timelines. More details can be found on our website. Step 3, meet your admission conditions. You are required to successfully complete all of your admissions conditions as outlined on your offer of admission by the specified due date. If you are an OUAC 101 applicant, your guidance office will be submitting your final grades directly to the OUAC on your behalf, who will then send them directly to us. If you have been taking any online, night school, or summer school courses, please ensure that your guidance counselors have this information so that they can submit the most accurate course information. We encourage you to review your OUAC account to ensure that all of the final grades received are accurate. If you are an OUAC 105 applicant, it is your responsibility to ensure that all official and final transcripts are received by the deadline date specified in your offer of admission. If you're planning on completing summer school to meet a condition of your offer of admission, please ensure that you apply for a summer school extension if necessary. The extension information can be found on our website. That's it, just 3 simple steps to reserve your space here at Ryerson. Congratulations again, and if you have any questions, please be sure to contact us and we would be more than happy to help.